Ja, hej. Jag gör den här videon idag för att jag skulle vilja prata om ett problem som har burit tungt på mitt hjärta länge. Som är en sjukdom som hela världen lider av och som också jag lider av. Min man sover så jag spelar in den här på toaletten. Din granne har det, din hund har det, din farmor har det, fast du kanske inte ens vet om det. Men
Yes, mistress. I am your beta boy. I will do anything for you. I promise I'll send the $400 over. I'll send more drinking off.
No, don't quit playing what you was playing. Go ahead and play that shit.
Play what?
Play what you playing.
Swag, ay, yeah, ay, tog up gang.
I'm over here stroking my dick. I got lotion on my dick right now. I'm just stroking my shit. I'm horny as fuck, man. I'm a freak, man.
Mimic Nessie Amun's voice by recreating his mouth and vocal cords with a 3D printer. It allowed them to produce a single sound.
Pandemi som inte går förbi. Vad händer med våra liv? I karantän är allt misär. Man får inte träffa de äldre.
Hej och välkomna till en ny video. Och idag hade jag tänkt
Got cruising, got warrants in every city except Houston, but I still ain't losing. They see me rolling, they hating, patrolling and trying to catch me riding dirty, 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 trying to catch.
Fuck with it, nigga, you can come and get it. I ain't sick, but I'm that nigga who your bitch is digging. I'm probably somewhere playing with her kid and that's her pussy, and pulling up with a blemish that look like pudding.
I'm over here stroking my dick. I got lotion on my dick right now. I'm just stroking my shit. I'm horny as fuck, man. I'm a freak, man.
Looking all these kills, almost that's what I do. Pull up with a stick, then I'll pull it with a foot. When you hold up on me, she trying to see my dick like I'm good. Niggas cannot rap me.
NASCAR, 500 Raceway, AK, gun plus lolly.